Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to download and install ABB Robot Software RobotStudio 2016. You can go to ABB website. You can download. Go to download. You can click here, download Studio version 2026.1. This is a very new version. You can click here, download now. You can download. Okay, I done already. Now we start and install this software. Robot Studio here. Click here, setup. English. Yeah. I'm installing the Windows 11 Home Edition. Okay. Click. This software not too much large size, just almost 1 gigabyte. Click. That's it. Okay. Finish. You must restart again. Okay, net. Now we can see start 30 days. Here, login. Okay, we can start RobotStudio 2026. We create a new one. We choose new. Choose this one. Okay, is robot. We can small one. You can see in here. You can do everything. Is working area. Okay. If you use this RobotStudio 2026.1, you have to register its account in the ABB. If you're not registered, it's not working. Also, this is just 31 days, just try. Okay, thank you very much.